Want to make your video clips flow smoothly from one scene to another? Clipchamp lets you add transitions between clips to create cleaner and more professional edits. In this guide, I'll show you how to add transitions in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your videos and place at least 2 clips next to each other on the timeline. Next, open the Transitions section from the Editing menu. You'll see different transition styles that you can use between your clips. Preview the available options and choose one that matches the style of your video. To add a transition, drag your chosen effect onto the point where 2 clips meet. Clipchamp will place the transition between the clips, creating a smoother change from one scene to the next. After adding the transition, adjust its duration if the available controls allow it. A shorter transition can feel quick and energetic, while a longer transition can create a slower effect. Choose a duration that fits your video's pace. You can repeat the process throughout your project. Add transitions between other clips where they make sense. Avoid adding an effect to every cut unless it fits your editing style, because too many transitions can make a video feel distracting. Now play your project from the beginning and watch each transition carefully. Check that the clips connect smoothly and that the effects don't interrupt important content. When you're happy with the result, select Export, choose your preferred video quality, and let Clipchamp process the project. Your finished video will now include the transitions you've added. And that's how to add transitions in Clipchamp in 2026. Choose a transition, place it between clips, adjust it when needed, preview your project, and export the final video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.